Hello children, today I will start 4th chapter of Math 2, that is constructions of triangles. Students, in previous standard you have learned the following triangle constructions. To construct a triangle when its three sides are given. To construct a triangle when its base and two adjacent angles are given. To construct a triangle when two sides and the included angle are given. And to construct a right angle triangle when its hypotenuse and one side is given. But this year you will study three different types of construction. That is construction 1. To construct a triangle when its base, an angle adjacent to the base and the sum of the lengths of remaining sides is given. Construction 2 is to construct a triangle when its base, angle adjacent to the base and difference between the remaining sides is given. And construction 3 is to construct a triangle if its perimeter, base and the angles which include the base are given. Students, for all this construction, you should know perpendicular bisector theorem. So, what is perpendicular bisector theorem? Every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is equidistant from its endpoints. Every point, this is your segment AB and L is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So, every point on the perpendicular bisector of segment is equidistant from its endpoints. And its converse is every point equidistant from the endpoints of a segment. Every point equidistant from the endpoints of a segment is on the perpendicular bisector of the segment. So, what is perpendicular bisector theorem? Every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is equidistant from its endpoints, and converse is every point equidistant from the endpoints of a segment is on the perpendicular bisector of the segment.